Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
इयर एंड सेलिब्रेशनाक हे फावट डेस्टिनेशन गोवा. वेगवेगळ्यो सुवाती आणि राज्यांतल्यान दाबोळे फ्लायटी वाडटात. पॅसेंजर फ्लो मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाढला म्हणून एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टर सांगता.
More than 11,000 incoming passengers and more than 11,000 outgoing passengers. Today again we are expecting the same number of passengers who are going to come because festivity is on. And at the airport we have decorated it for the Christmas, we are going to decorate it for the New Year also. And people are waiting to come to Goa as a matter of fact. So flights are increasing, flights will continue to increase. And I think domestic tourists will be contributing a good chunk as far as economy of the state is concerned through their visits and through tourism. But new sectors like Jaipur, Nagpur, this corona has given something positive also. The sectors which were not connected earlier are getting connected now. But new sectors have been added up by the different airlines and they'll be continued to be added up. And air bubble arrangement now up till March, Air Arabia has taken slots from us in the air bubble. So we have approved that in the air bubble. And except UK, the flights which are coming from Middle East, they are operating.